So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to a programming workout of mine. And let's get into it. I will start a 5 minutes timer. And let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, fuck. This. No, this, that. Okay. PID equals this guy. Then no. There we go. Okay. %. Key sector. So what I'm focusing, well, what I wish for to be improved is like my error rate. No, like, yeah, so let's just focus on that, okay? Oh, hey there, Chia. Welcome, thank you for the follow. How are you? I have been on your stream yesterday, if I remember correctly. Looking at how did you teach SQL? Oh, fuck. DB key object. Oh, fuck. Reply. Okay, I will finish this. Up, key, read, C, B, key. All right. Yes, everything good, thanks. How are you doing today? Well, I'm good. I'm good. I did went to bed yesterday in a reasonable time, which is 1 a.m. Well, last few weeks I went like in the 6, 8 in the morning, so that wasn't good. And bigger font, please. In here? Yeah, sure. We can do that. We can do that. I can just do this. Okay. But now it's over for the typing, and we will go into the Java part. 25 minutes of Java drill. If my IDE starts. Yeah, but I will do another round, so yeah. But thank you for telling me. I'll keep that in mind. And how are you, Freeman, today? Okay, so I'm doing collections. Oh yeah, collection, that's the big one. All right. All right. All right. So I'll start timer for the Java thingy, and I don't know. Okay, so we have the interfaces, implementations, and classes. And if I remember correctly, I was reading the collection thingy in here, the documentation. But thinking about it, I maybe don't need it. Maybe I don't need to read all of this. See also set, list, map, sorted map, hash set, tree set, array list, linked list, vector. Oh, vector is also implemented in here? No, it's not. That's the Java before Java 2, right? Yeah. Implements. Yeah, that's the old stuff. That's the old stuff. And then they figure out that they fucked up while they did the specification of Java while they created, because it's class, right? So you can inherit only once in Java. So that means if you create some class which already inherits from the vector, you cannot inherit anything else, and you're kind of fucked up. And so that's why they said screw it and created the collection interface, because you can implement as many interfaces as you want, but you cannot inherit multiple times. Maybe this should be bigger too, right? So I can do, or are you still here, Freeman? Is this readable? Or is it too small? It's probably too small, right? Size. Font size 24. Okay, so we can do better. We will do 32. Oh, that's the presentation assistant. Fuck. 24 is good. Or okay, appearance. custom size, we will do 18 y, and oh god, I don't like that. Which one was it? It was 12 previously. I think it was 12. Why? It feels like it was 12. So I want general font. Okay, so here it is. 14, 16. Why? Okay, so that's bigger. Maybe now it's a little bit better visible. Set. Okay, so let's see how I will do this. Maybe I can implement those things and go from there. It's 8 of them. Okay, list, set, sorted set, map and okay, let's do that. Let's do that. So we will where we are. Collections framework. Okay. And in here, so what do I have here? We have a collection, but what I want to do is to have a class which implements the collection. So collection implementation implements collection like so. Here we go, and we have a problem in here, and that is because I have to implement all of those methods, and those are the methods which we should implement from. That is that all? Oh god, there's so many. Okay, so we have size is empty, contains size return size is empty, contains. Okay, so that checks for the object. Iterator to array, add, remove, add all, clear, remove all. Okay. Can live with that. Control that, yep. Okay, so then we will implement insert class, and the next guy was, there's 8 of them, so I remember set, so we will say set implementation and set like so, and we have a problem again. We will fix that by implementing them. Okay, so what's different? I don't know. So we will go there and have a look. Well, what do we have? Okay, so that's value is empty, boolean. Here the iterator has a type. Then here is type also. What's changed? contain all clear equals hashcode splitterator. I don't know what splitterator is. So what do we have here? Static set. So this is a construct of returns. The background music made me think of aliens. Yeah, that's the music I coded. Here's the source code for it. Just simple few loops playing. This is like kinda playing few chords here. This is the toot. Here are like this whooshing thing in the background. Yeah, but it reminds me too of that. Yeah, because I wanted to play some music, but I don't know about the, like the laws, like if I use some music, they will take down my videos and so on. So I wanted to, that was my motivation, create some music. And I cannot be copyright striked. No, I'm using, this is called Sonic Pi. The author is Aaron, some Aaron, and I think it's on top of Ruby. It runs, and you have this like language when you can play some notes and do loops and so on. So you basically just play samples and notes, and you can create melodies and do some royalty-free playlists. A good tip. Good tip. We'll have a look into that. There's also the free beats or stream beats, it's called, but I didn't like the music that much, so I see. And the contents of my is professional doing live stream Haskell music when I play with library called Tidal Sykes. Ah, Tidal Sykes. I kind of like the Tidal cycles because it is not so verbose as this is. Like apply some fx, you are basically doing this tree, this anti-pattern, which I don't like, but there's no other way to do it. So it's like, yeah, but this was much easier to set up. So I started with this one, and then we will see. Let's go back to Java. And I will resume the timer. So this is okay. So it returns. So we can create a set from something. That's good. So there's a okay, and then we can have a copy. Okay. I don't know what this means. Set, then we have sorted set. Okay, so we will have a look at sorted set. And maybe I don't have to do the implementation, so I'll look into that anyway. So do Control E. set, like so. That should be enough. Yeah. Either you have no information in about section, or I can figure out how to see it in Android app. About me, I do have something, I think. But let's see. Twitch. I go to my channel. Twitch. There is my about thingy. I think you have to, if you are viewing in this position, you can view it by flipping the phone this way, and then you have more options. Yeah, it is. It's kind of, let's call it original. Sorted set. So extend sets to handle sorted sets. So what there will be different. So the sorted set has a comparator, subset, head set, tail set. What does this do? Returns a view of portion of this set whose elements are strictly less than 2 elements. Ah, okay. Comparator subset returns view of portion of the set whose elements range from. Ah, okay, okay. So this is something already which I can use, but that's still interface, right? I would like to find something which implements that. Oh, we will get to that. We will get to that. Okay. So we have sorted set. Then we have the map. Okay. So we will create map, and have a look key in here. Object. That maps keys to values, contain duplicate keys. Okay, so size isn't a contains key, so that returns true. That returns true. Okay, boolean. If it contains value, that's returns boolean too. Okay, get with the key. What is the V in here? Huh? What the V stands for? Oh, that's the type. That's the type. Okay, cool. I just noticed that using, yeah, kinda, sort of. I do. It's nice to see cooperation. Put, yeah, so that I put the value and remove. I have a typo, really? Okay, so pum pum pum. I can have a look. I can have a look. Twitch. JD.
Here.
Yes. I'm struggling programmer. I suck at programming, and this is my time to be better for myself. I'm gonna struggle learning and hopefully overcoming difficulties. I don't even know how to how to edit it anymore. I don't know where's the typo. Oh well. I will put it into some kind of down the left to F. Okay. Oh fuck. I didn't want to do that. I want Control F, two Fs. Difficulties. I see. Okay. Thank you. How do I edit this? Edit panels? Yeah. No, this is the panels. How do I edit the about section? Ah, I see. Thank you. Submit. Thank you, sir. Let's go back to Java. That's good. That's good. Set. Then we have sorted set. We are at map. Then we have map entry. Equals get get key, get value, hash code, set value. How can I? So can I do map dot? I can. Okay. Oh, no. How it was B? Yeah. Okay. Control B. Interface entry, and that's inside of the map. I see. Good. What next? Sorted map. Yeah. Well, thank you. Sorted map. Well, right now I'm kind of like sharpening my. I wanted to have some time off, so I do, and now I'm drilling this thing because I suck. So I try to improve and then get some job again. So sorted map. What does it have? comparator. This is a submap from key to key. So it's sorted by the keys. Few years. Well, at the last company, 2.5 years. And previously I had some other jobs as well. Oh, two key, a tail map, head map, tail map. Ah, interesting. Then we have first key, last key, the key set. Oh, that returns the set of the keys. Yeah, so the keys are sets. That's why there could be only be one. Collection values. Okay, and there's an entry set that returns the. Ah, I see. Why would you want to do this? Set view of the mappings contained in this map. So it returned the entries, but why would you ever want to have this? The sets iterator returns the entries. Total? It's hard to say because I had a side job, programming side job at a university, and I don't know if I can count that in it. So, I don't know. Ah, explanation. For example, well, total, let's say 5 years, maybe 4 of real experience. Or, well, like real, like in when I went to the last working place, I was just, it was just a whole different game. It was because normally I was working alone, you know, and I produced some application. It was crappy, but it was working, right? And in my last job, I went to the corporation, like with huge code, like million of lines, and oh my god, that's different ball game. I was just like, holy shit, what should I do in here? And everything took me so long, so fucking long. And yeah, so well, it was different. So if you are in for loop and you want to iterate over all the keys and retrieve the values, well, then I can just get the values, right? And I can iterate over that if I want the values. Instead of doing two operations, iterate on the keys and for each key loop. Ah, I see. So in one loop you go through all of them. I see. Why do you think you suck at programming? Oh, I mean, like fuck, like look at this. Look at this. Like it takes a long time. And in my last work, I had some. Well, there were people who did like me, and there were some people who didn't like me. So maybe that's why. And I kind of have this feeling that I should be better. You just get sets containing the entries. So if you get just the values, then you don't know the keys. Yeah, got it. Thank you. That's the point. That's the point, huh? Okay. Oh fuck. I didn't, I didn't want to. This guy. Then. So we had the sorted map, and then we have the enumeration. All right. Enumeration. Enumeration. That. Okay, so like Vim person would press escape, would press escape, undo the shit he did, and then shift B. Okay, I'm a real Vim person now. Enumeration. An object that implements the enumeration interface generates a series of elements, one at a time. Successive calls to the next element method returns successive elements of the series. Okay. So has no more elements. Next element. And we have iterator, which have has next and next. Yeah, sure. Iterator. All right. All right. But I kinda. I kind of feel that I should code some examples. Or some like real life things, right? So can I find, if I go to list, for example, there was a list somewhere. Oh, come on. Oh, I cannot. Okay, so how do you search in Vim? It is slash, right? Okay, fuck, but so slash list. Now fucked up. Okay, so list, enter. Okay. Next, okay. But it doesn't highlight the thing. How do I search in Vim with highlighting too? Vim search. Vim search. With highlight, that's what I want. Page. When searching is often helpful to highlight all searches. This tip shows how. Hey, Sheen, welcome. It allows you to quickly see all occurrences of a variable. This tip shows how search highlights is controlled and has a method to highlight searches without moving. Where's keyword? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. I kind of like it. I did program it. So you have these combos. That's the main thing for me, which I like. Those are the layers. And I didn't describe it in here, but for example, if I press these three keys together, it is an enter key. If I press those, it is escape. If I press those, it is a tabulator. And what I also like is this is like A normally. If I tap the key, it is A. But if I hold it, it acts as a control, so I can do control delete. It deletes the whole thing, right? Yeah. So that's the main reason I have it. Yeah. And F4 toggle highlighting on and off. Okay, so we will have a look. So I do this and I search for list and I press F4 and that's jump to source. This is fucked up. Let's go here and Control B is what? Go to declaration. Okay, so that's different. Okay. How do I? What Control F does anyway? Looks like it goes to the end of the. Control T is. What the fuck does it do? Oh well. So what I was trying to do. Fuck, I forgot what I was thinking about. What shortcut did I was I? Do you remember what it was? Control. God damn it! I have no short-term memory whatsoever. Well, we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and this is the end of this programming workout.